What is up, everybody? How's it going? So, a little bit different today because we're covering NASCAR. Hell yeah, brother, NASCAR. If you didn't see over the weekend, whatever it was, Bubba Wallace had a little bit of a scuffle, a little bit of a fight, a little push and shove. I don't know why I'm talking like that, because it's NASCAR, that's why, as you can see in the video right there. Well, he got pushed up towards the wall. I think his name's Kyle Larson. I don't watch NASCAR. Let's just get that straight out of the way. But, before we get super far into this, I want to ask you, in the comments below, what do you think of this? Obviously, I was going to make this yesterday, never got around to it. Found out today that Bubba Wallace has a 1-race suspension for this. Apparently, this is not his first time. I don't know, you want to call it right hooking, apparently they call it. I'm just going to call it a little turnaround. But apparently this is not the first time he's ever done this. And apparently, there's a whole other side of it where he's the only black driver on the grid. So, we're not even going to touch on that. But I want to ask, in the comments below, do you think the 1-race suspension was warranted? Was it not enough? Was it good? Whatever it is, in the comments below, you tell me. And again, I don't watch NASCAR. The only thing I end up seeing is the ends of races to see who won, maybe, or the crashes, because obviously Daytona, Talladega, stuff like that, the crashes are everywhere. That's pretty much all I get out of NASCAR. But this is 170 miles an hour or something like that. You can see him straight up just take the wheel, turn left, hook him, and send the guy into the wall, and it ends up crashing somebody else who's not even involved in it, which really sucks for that person. But in the comments below, tell me what you think. Obviously, this is I'm assuming some people might watch it, some people might not. NASCAR's huge, but either way, you tell me. Warranted, not warranted, perfect amount of suspension, penalty, whatever you want to call it. And with that, enjoy my driving, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.